This is the card every seven-figure eCom founder should be using. And if you're scaling your brand internationally, this one tool could save you thousands of dollars. Most founders focus on ads, supplier relationships, or logistics, but they forget about one of the biggest silent killers in their business: foreign exchange fees and disorganized cross-border payments. I learned this the expensive way, but since I made one small switch, the way I handle my international payments has changed completely. But first, here's the problem. As e-commerce founders, we operate globally, running ad campaigns in the USA, working with suppliers in Asia, managing freelancers in Europe, and collecting payments from every corner of the world. But here's the catch. We're juggling multiple currencies, getting hit with foreign exchange fees, wasting time trying to reconcile transactions across platforms. Before I knew better, I was losing money on every conversion. And I didn't even realize it until I started running the numbers. That's when I discovered the World Card by World First, a financial tool built for founders like us, who are also the proud sponsors of this video. Here's what makes it so powerful. 1. Multi-currency capability, which means I can send, receive, hold, and manage funds in 150 plus currencies all in one place. Whether I'm paying Meta for ads, wiring a supplier, or getting paid through Stripe, it is seamless. Think about that for a minute. A platform that allows you to receive your money, wire money to your suppliers, or even pay for ads without headache. It's a game changer. Then another thing that you should know is it has 0 FX fees on 15 major currencies. This is where the savings really stack up. I no longer lose money just because I'm moving money across borders. That extra margin I reinvest directly into scaling. Think about it. If you are spending in GBP, or you're spending in USD, or you're spending in AED, or you're spending in Thai baht, whatever it is, and you're able to save on all those FX fees just because you are using the right card, it's an absolute game changer. Now, there's also a central dashboard for full visibility. The World Card comes with a powerful online dashboard that lets you see exactly what's happening in your account. If you're like me and you hate financial chaos, this is where peace of mind starts. Now let me break this down with 3 quick real-world scenarios. I was running ads in the US market from Dubai, and before, I'd get charged FX fees just to fund my account. Now with the World Card, I pay in USD directly and there are 0 hidden losses. Just think about that for a minute. If you're spending $200,000 a month, or you're spending $100,000 a month, or you're spending $50K a month, whatever it is, even if you're spending just $3,000 a month, and you know that, yeah, you're not going to be getting any unexpected charges, any unexpected fees, because you're using a proper card, look at how much money you could potentially save. And then another thing is, something happened, right? The supplier for my watch brand requested payment in yen, Chinese yen. They were making the packaging for the watches and I needed to make payments. But it was quick. No back and forth. I sent it directly from my multi-currency account, saving time and money. And that's not all. I have a freelancer in Europe billing me monthly. So instead of converting funds from my base currency, I now just pay them from the same wallet in euros. No conversion, no spread. This has made life so freaking easy for me. I have someone I always pay in Serbia. I have someone I always pay in Monaco. I have someone that I always pay in Germany. And all these payments easy. Instead of all the fees that stack up over time. Like, think about it for a minute. If you're paying $10 on every $100 that you spend, which means 10% of every money that you spend, you're paying it in fees, right? This all stacks up because by the time you're spending $100,000 in a month on just payroll, 10% of that is $10,000. This money is something you could easily just invest into your business back. So now, whether you're just starting or you've scaled past 7 figures, how you manage your money matters. So if you're serious about protecting your margins, and running a lean global operation, the World Card is something you want to have in your toolkit. So get your free World Card now and take advantage of 0 FX fees on 15 major currencies. The link will be in the description of this video. And now check out this video where I did a breakdown of how Kai Cenat is secretly building a $100 million empire.